BARD is a large language model (LLM) chatbot developed by Google. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code and can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. BARD is still under development, but it has learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including I will try my best to follow your instructions and complete your request thoughtfully. I will use my knowledge to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. I will generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. I will try my best to fulfill all your requirements. BARD is available in English, Japanese, and Korean. It can be accessed through the BARD website or through the BARD API. Here are some examples of what BARD can do. Generate text. BARD can generate text in a variety of styles, including news articles, blog posts, poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Translate languages. BARD can translate between over 100 languages. Answer questions. BARD can answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Create content. BARD can create different kinds of creative content, such as poems, stories, scripts, musical pieces, etc. BARD is still under development, but it is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks.